Alright, boys and girls, I got the biggest roast today. Harley-Davidson roasted me so good. I had a comment on one of their photos saying it was actually a fun bike to ride. It was the 2018 Sport Glide they sent me down to ride back in November of last year, and it was actually fun to ride. You guys saw all the videos, Lake Arrowhead. It was actually really fun. So I said in one of their videos, oh, it was fun to ride, and then they they commented back, and here's a screenshot. They said, it's time to get a real bike, Snowcat. They used my own meme against me. What's up, brother? You know what's so funny too is, you know, that's what Fucati could have done back in the day, man. Just josh back and forth, got a different bike, all good. But hey, man, props to HD, social marketing guys. I think I know who it is. We've talked on the phone before, but man, that is hilarious. Get a real bike, Snowcat, straight from Harley themselves. Video title, Harley roasts Snowcat. Oh man, they're having a car show right now. Let's look at this Lexus. Yeah, Lexus car show. Got the yellow fog, so dope. Oh, they're just boosting the bike. Never mind. Yep, I've had that happen to me before, man. When you get the bike out for the first time and you have a bad battery because you had it charged up or whatever, you know, and then you're out riding around and then the alternator stator didn't charge the battery, or the battery won't take a charge, and then your bike just dies. Yeah, I've had that happen before on the R6. Actually, there's actually 2 videos on that issue years and years ago. I feel for that guy. I know exactly the pains of seasonal bike ownership. This is my favorite house. Look at that, massive. All the windows. Look at this. Slammed, purple, and no air. I scared the shit out of that guy. Oh, the camera won't see that. He like freaked out. That guy's indicating left on a one-way. Oh my god. I once was right here, I think on a bike, and there was a car facing me, hey? And then she wanted to keep driving. We said turn around. She wouldn't turn around. Like she was frozen. Like she didn't know what to do. Absolutely hilarious. This guy's on his phone. Tiger! Get down your fucking phone, bud. There's no way he goes. What a douche. On red too. No right on red. See, it's those people I hate in the city. And I was recording. Nice. That was a scooter with every little piece of like metal stuff from Pistis Auto he could find. Yeah, I got it on camera. That was a really weird moped thing. You know, oh, those are real bead lockers. That is, look at that. That's a real G-Wagon right there, boy. That's dope. Was I recording? Yeah, I was recording. Woo! There you go. We got the Canadian military real G-Wagon right there. That's dope.